Hello and welcome again to a new episode from the channel Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are all doing well, and today's recipe is sardines with a meat-like flavor. We will prepare sardines in a way that no one will recognize them as sardines. I have here 1 kilogram of sardines cleaned by removing the bones and inner parts. I also removed the outer skin because it must be taken off. As you can see, I have squeezed lemon juice that we will use for this step. First, I add the lemon juice over the sardines like this. Then I mix everything together. I let it rest for about 5 minutes as this step is important. The lemon helps remove the strong sardine smell. After 5 minutes, I take the sardines and place them in a chopper. Then I grind them until smooth. I add garlic cloves depending on their size. Use 4 if they are medium or 3 if they are large. I will now grind everything and come back. Here is the ground sardine mixture. I add 1 tablespoon of mustard, which is a key secret. It helps eliminate the sardine flavor. I also add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Then I add 1 grated small onion with the liquid removed. Make sure to squeeze out all the excess juice. I add 1 tablespoon of cilantro and 1 tablespoon of parsley. For spices, I add half a teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of turmeric. I also add a pinch of cinnamon or kefta spice mix if available. Then 1 teaspoon of red pepper and a small amount of cumin. I add a small teaspoon of dried coriander and salt to taste. Do not add too much salt because of the soy sauce and lemon. I add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and mix everything well. Mix thoroughly until combined. After mixing, I add 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. These help absorb excess moisture. Then I mix again very well. This gives a firm texture when grilling. So the mixture does not release liquid. And the texture becomes better. I cover the mixture and place it in the fridge for 30 minutes. This step helps with shaping and flavor. For the sauce, it is optional. I add grated garlic to a pan with some oil. I saute it lightly until it starts to cook. Then I add 2 grated tomatoes. You can serve any side dish you like. But try this sardine method because it is very good. I add salt to taste and some red pepper. Then a small amount of cumin without overpowering the flavor. This sauce should stay balanced. I add chopped cilantro, about 1 tablespoon. Let the sauce cook slightly until thickened. Now it is ready. The sauce is quick and takes less than 5 minutes. Now I turn off the heat and move to grilling. After 30 minutes, the mixture is ready. Refrigeration helps blend the flavors well and removes the sardine taste completely. The texture is now firm and dry. I take small portions and shape them as desired. You can make balls or small lobs. Continue until all the mixture is shaped. The smell no longer resembles sardines. Mustard and spices remove the odor. The resting step with lemon is essential. And refrigeration is also important. These steps give a meat-like flavor. I use a panini grill for cooking. You can also use charcoal. It gives an excellent result. I grease the grill lightly with oil. Then place the shaped kefta pieces. I brush a little oil on top. If using charcoal, oil the grill only. Once cooked on one side, I flip them. Continue the same process. This is the final result of sardine kefta. It smells like grilled beef. Here is the sauce prepared earlier. I also serve olives and a simple salad, and a small portion of fries made in an air fryer. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and activate the bell for new recipes